Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart, and the title of this webcast is "Here We Go Again," because we're going to have to figure out whether we're in the middle of a bear market rally, a sell rallies type of event that could go, it could go to the mid band, it could go to the weekly pivot up at 2090.80, or if with the matching lows yesterday at 2056.5 that we've established a new floor, that we've established a pronounced higher low versus the low of July the 6th, and the bears have gone ahead and done what the bears can do so many times, which is just to lay down, and we're going to go do new highs. We'll have to see. I think the bulls are going to have a lot to say about that if that's the case when we get back up into the 2120 area. But for now, there's a lot of questions that have to be answered, and to make it more difficult, you've got the Fed tomorrow at 2. So the big areas to watch on the upside: middle band 2084.40, weekly pivot 2090.80, 50-day exponential moving average 2091. So those two are essentially locked up. On the downside, it's you got the monthly pivot in the middle here. We're sitting on the monthly pivot right now at 2074.50. So I would expect the open to come pretty close to the monthly pivot, and whoever wins the monthly pivot today will probably win the day and probably win the conversation up until 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. If we break below, the only number on the board that really matters is 2056.5. Anything above that is going to establish another higher low on the longer term charts. On the short term charts, you wouldn't want to see a pullback extend any lower than, say, 2071, 2063 at most. But the fact that we've broken up as hard as we have, any kind of follow through in the regular session, it's very difficult not to see a move to the mid band up at 84. We came very close to touching the 200-day exponential moving average yesterday, and over time, it's pretty rare to see it come that close and not go ahead and touch the 200-day. One of those, axioms is going to be wrong. So there's a lot more questions this morning than there are answers. As far as coming into the day, you got to watch 74.5, and then you've got to see, does 74.5 want to go support, or does it want to go resistance, and let that guide your trading as you head into the morning. Okay, everybody have a good one. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com, and come check out our chat room. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.